Huron Blyth Station. Please respond at 66 Egmont Street in Auburn for residential CO alarms going off. Once again, 66 Egmont Street in Auburn for residential CO alarms going off. Time of first page is 2013. Attention North Huron Fire Blyth Station. Please respond at 66 Egmont Street in Auburn, just north of Blyth Road for residential CO alarms going off. Caller had previously started her vehicle in the garage and then left for an hour and a half and came back to detect detectors going off. No symptoms. Once again, 66 Egmont Street for CO alarm sounding. It's January 20th at 2015.
Fire dispatch, car 4.
Car 4, go ahead.
Car 4 acknowledges the page for Blyth Station for CO alarms going off. Blyth Station will be responding shortly.
That's Roger, car 4, you're acknowledging page and responding shortly. 2015-29.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 3 responding.
That's Roger, car 3 responding 2018-52.
Fire dispatch, you can show engine 6 responding, Echo plus 4 belted.
That's Roger, engine 6 responding, Echo plus 4 belted, 20-19-06.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 3 arriving. Can you give me that house number again?
Roger, that car 3 is on scene. It's 66. That is 66 Egmont Street.
Engine 6, car 3. Go ahead, car 3. Engine 6 made contact with the homeowner here. The vehicle was started in the garage. The door was open immediately. It was backed out immediately, and they left for an hour. They returned, and they had alarms going off. Currently, there's still one going off. We'll need to do an air quality check. Roger that. Fire dispatch, car 3.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show contact was made with the homeowner.
That's Roger, car 3, contact made with homeowner 20-29-33.
Fire dispatch, you can show engine 6 arriving scene. Echo will be command and command will be mobile.
That's Roger, engine 6, you're on scene, Echo and command and mobile 20-29-50.
Entry 1, call command. Go ahead, entry 1. Can I get an update? Sweep of the second story, 0 reading showing we found the detector. Command, call entry 1. Go ahead, entry this command. We are exiting structure for a face-to-face. Roger that. Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
You can show car 3 clearing scene, return to his coach to watch the football game. Go Buckeyes!
That's Roger, car 3, you're clearing scene, returning to go watch the game 20-41-32.
Fire dispatch, engine 6.
Go ahead, engine 6.
You can show after the sweep of the house, 0 readings. We found a faulty detector and fire replaced the detector. Scene is left with the homeowner. Command is terminated. Engine 6 returning to Blyth Station.
Roger that, engine 6, 0 reading, faulty detector. I just want to confirm you said that you changed the detector?
Roger that. We changed the detector.
Roger that. Change the detector. Engine 6 command is terminated. You are clearing. Drive safe. It's 2059-56.
Fire dispatch, Blythe Station.
Go ahead, Blythe.
You can show engine 6 back in the hall, back in service. Can you send that call over for me, please?
Roger that. Engine 6 back at hall, back in service. Blythe Station is back in service. Enjoy the rest of your evening. 21:15:40.